पहले तो रीजनिंग खुलता था, ये कैसे खुल गया आज? फॉर्म ड्यू टू फंडामेंटल ड्राइवर ऑफ अर्थ weather pattern is uneven heating or the sun rays right in this temperature impulsion wait the movement getting to distribute with the polar region. Antiferal and polar dictate the prevailing equator warm air rises and creates by the heavy pressure. This is lofted eventually descend upon 30, creating a high altitude to the gross for the consequence of when deflect these movement air masses 20 them from traveling in a straight line in northern hemisphere. This forces causes wind to veer while and due to friction form the trade wind. The upper atmosphere known as jet stream acts as a high velocity. These narrow bands of strong winds are located near the tropopause. Jet stream are formed due to jet stream का लिखा है act as a high. These narrow band result from the contact between air masses of vastly different temperature. Large different temperature between the adjacent air masses. अगर अर्थ मूव ना करे कुछ स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं, सोलर रेडिएशन विल नॉट बी lead to prolonged in the northern hemisphere. What does northern hemisphere for wind to veer to the right? Veer to the right. All that mentioned are primarily associated with Hawes latitude 30 degree latitude, creating a high pressure arid region. High pressure arid region. What is the root cause of atmospheric heat distribution? Redistribute according to the what is the root cause of atmospheric heat redistribution? Directive pattern, slanting. What is the function of the second paragraph in context of the first second to explain the role of Earth to describe the specific structures that organize global airflow? The correlative effect is a direct result of rotation. A B C D E 5 1 2 3 4 5. By utilizing a centralized platform for remote team led identify Recurring patterns of error at microcontroller. To address these, a structured feedback system was proposed to streamline the. However, the lack of uniform method of documenting these errors often led to finally this data-driven in any high. The initial informs. It involves a rigorous verification process to catch minor flow before they escalate. However, the lack of uniform method of documenting these errors often led to miscommunication between the verification team and the developer. The structured feedback system was proposed to streamline the reporting of the technical test. Of the AC नहीं है, DE नहीं है, CB हो सकता है, AE नहीं है, BE नहीं है, एंटी पेनल्टीमेट P, hindmost D. The four words interchange. The construction of Great Wall of China, formidable defense, served as BC, and spent served as a formidable defense for modern sustainable building often incorporates AKD and advanced software to reduce their overall footprint and energy consumption. Conductors must symphonic possess an AD which want to guide dozens of talented museums by lending out a proportion of the bank create credit which fuels entrepreneurship infrastructure and although the initial projections were modest, the final year the committee approved the proposal because it is perfectly with long-term strategy. Since inflation rate is rising, the central bank may increase while digital transactions are increasing. Many rural areas still rely heavily on physical currency. The scheme aims at providing affordable housing. With environment conservation. It's the need for rapid industrial growth. And the need for mark for review डाल देता हूँ. Technical team repaired the server. Williams growth and if the monsoon is favorable this year, ये हो सकता है. A का D तो नहीं होगा, P का D. मुझे वो finally yesterday. The old bridge was so dashed that we decided to close it for safety reasons. She is known for her dash nation, always willing to help those who need it. She maintained a dash expression making possible other set of gases. After hours of debate, the committee finally reached dash that satisfy everyone. Unanimous. The committee noted that the proposed amendment to the insolvency law are dash to the most select the best can. The committee noted that the proposed amendment to the insolvency law are adverse. Analysts argue that current volatility in the equity market is merely temporary. To maintain its competitive edge, the sector company must alienate the latest, integrate. ये क्या है? ABC automatic is grammatically incorrect. ठीक है, इसको छोड़ के दे रहा हूँ. The passage suggests that if Earth did not rotate, कहाँ पे बोला है ये? Sunshine equator. ये तो गलत है. ओके, ये लिखा है ना. The consequence significantly deflect their preventing them from traveling in a straight north-south line. Global trade agreements play a significant role in determining the economic stability of developing nations today. Mathematical equations provide a precise language for describing the complex pattern found throughout the natural world. Analyzing literary themes requires a deep understanding of the historical context in which the author lived. Renewable energy sources like wind are crucial for reducing our carbon footprint effectively. Emission lead to increased population density, which often puts a strain on existing public infrastructure. Theories must be supported by empirical evidences gathered through rigorous testing and objective observation techniques. Cultural heritage offer valuable insights into traditions and values of civilization that came before. For maintaining healthy conditions that provide us with commute through complex electrical and chemical signals. Sustainable agriculture practices aims to produce food environment for future generations to enjoy. Many historical documents were written on parchment because it was more durable than the early paper. To examine the influence of geographic factors on political power and foreign while digital transactions are increasing, the scheme aims at providing affordable housing with environment conservation efforts. We must balance the need for rapid industrial growth बस इतना ही अटेम्प्ट करूँगा इंग्लिश में. फालतू में नेगेटिव ना लग जाए. 15 6 2 2 5 15 505 प्लस x बराबर है 240। 405 415 211 माइनस कितना रूट है ये 225 माइनस का 10 इंटू 47 माइनस 27 20 200 तो 25 और 5 70% ऑफ 900 माइनस 300 x प्लस 1521 1600 हो जाएगा 40 तो 39। एक मिनट 630 होगा ना 300 तो 330 हो जाएगा 300 हो जाएगा 9 291 23 अंडर रूट एक्स 1100 550 बराबर है 654। पाँच 1/3 ऑफ 600 तो 200 1296 1296 40 35 34 170 145 get total number of percent distribution of total number of candidates who appear. The total number of candidates who appear for bank exam across 5 state is इतना। ये जो है total number of candidates who appeared is इतना percentage distribution qualified total number of ठीक है। सिटी अपीयर कितने में पास कितने में फेल कितने में 40,000 यहाँ आए 15 20 8,000 और 12 15 तो 6,000 इधर 20 और 25 तो 10 6 6 12 12 8 20 और इतना 65 40 45 45 55 और 75 find the difference between the total number of qualified candidate A and E 6,500 इसको लूँगा 14,000 total not qualified from C and D 7,000 तो 6,000. What is the ratio or number of qualified candidate from B? Qualified candidate 24, not qualified from 25. The total number of candidates appearing from appeared A, B, D. 14, 24. Even more than the total number of appeared from D and E. 16. 50% more है. The ratio number of male to female qualified candidate from B 4 and then 24. Find the number of male who मेल फीमेल 5, 6, 7, 8 3. And the number of female who are not qualified 500 more than the male qualified. 500 तो 2,000 तो 1,600. Male not 1,600. The total number of not qualified from A and E. 5. 300. More than total number of qualified from C and D. 900 कम है. The total number of candidates who appeared in F 33%. 1/3 2,000 तो 8,000 हो जाएगा. The number not qualified from is 370, 347 less than from F. 3500 347 7 4 5 7 348. Find the number of qualified तो 3 8,000. फोर 153 तो 5 कंप्लीट. टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेल इतना है. ठीक है, इसको मैं करूँगा बाद में. और देखो 15 10 15% did not cast 85, 88.5. sold इतना है. मैंने प्रॉफिट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड 300 मोर देन द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज. $2,400 $3,500 11/25 44 हो जाएगा ना. 44 द एवरेज ऑफ 25 इतना इंटू एवरेज इंक्रीज्ड बाय इतना है. द वेट ऑफ फाइंड द 52. चिटिया मैं भूल गया, हर्ष सर ने बताया था इसका 4 27 108 और 10 more than the way. इतना है 15 मिनट 15 लीटर मिलियन 9 लीटर में रेशो भी कम इतना। ऑयल और वाटर 8x और x, इसमें मैं 15 लीटर ऑयल डाल रहा हूँ 9 लीटर वाटर डाल रहा हूँ। रेशो ऑफ ऑयल टू वाटर 5:1। फाइंड द 2/20 द एवरेज ऑफ PNQ इतना 5 years ago क्यू लेस देन द रेशियो परसेंटेज ऑफ R इतना। रेशियो अपस्ट्रीम और डाउन रेशियो अपस्ट्रीम स्पीड और डाउनस्ट्रीम कवर 64 32 उसकी, तो मतलब 1 की वैल्यू 2 हो गई। मतलब टाइम डाउन स्ट्रीम में 25 इंटू 7 घंटा। we start इतना आफ्टर फन increased after 5 month A increased his investment by 20%, तो मतलब 12x decreased investment by 40 16 मंथ, तो 11 50 52 182 और 116। पेरीमीटर ऑफ कोई और दिया ही नहीं है क्या। द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल बेल्ट द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल बेल्ट एंड वॉलेट द रेशियो ऑफ बेल्ट टू वॉलेट द नंबर ऑफ बेल्ट इन D is 39 belt in D is 39 and the sum of total number of belt in wallet in B and C together 7A plus 3 the total number of belt and wallet together in B is 7A plus 10 B 8 9 10 11 is equals to 158 7A plus 10 B 7 147 और the total number of belt in D 7A plus 2B the belt 3/4 is 39 बेल्ट और वॉलेट 100, ए की वैल्यू हो गई 11, 9 10 20 2, तो वॉलेट 77 80 16 80 20 70 78 और 6 और 7 13 6 73 6 42 70 7a plus 2b 7a plus 2b 91 4 5 6 7 52 80 और 99 है और 4 और 5 9 11 44 और 55. The total number of wallet in all 5. ये तो मैं गलत फंस गया. The total number of leather F. The total number of leather F is 25% more than 5/11 of the leather wallet. 1/4 more than 5/11. 11 बेल्ट 5 25 4 by 20 मतलब 25. The number of canvas wallet sold by F is 15 कम तो 40. Each canvas sold at 75 ये 130. And the total cost leather okay. After adding certain number of belt in the P, the average of every number of belt in all 6 is the ratio of belt sold belt to sold wallet. Then the ratio of unsold is इतना point difference between the shop C 3x plus 5y बराबर है 36 है और 4x प्लस 6y बराबर है 42. 2x प्लस 3y बराबर है 21. गया भाई मैथ्स का पेपर. ये नहीं उठानी चाहिए थी DI. इससे अच्छा ये वाला उठाना चाहिए था. क्या यार कितने मिनट वेस्ट हो गए इसमें. मतलब 3 मिनट इसमें, एक 4 5 मतलब 25% पेपर तो इसी में वेस्ट हो गया. 9 लोग हैं, 3 एटलीस्ट 2. ठीक है इसको बाद में करूँगा. L is the father-in-law of P के mother-in-law. P की mother-in-law के father-in-law. W is the sister-in-law of G. X is the only granddaughter V who is married. W is the only daughter of V. D is the maternal uncle of T. T mother is the sister-in-law of G. T की मदर सिस्टर इन लॉ है जी की. जी की कोई भाई बहन नहीं है. P is married to X. L has only 2 children. तो G How is T related to L के son? Nephew है. If W is married to K, K is the brother-in-law which is the following false in the brother-in-law. B is the mother-in-law of K. T is the daughter. How many females? 1 2 3 4. All pen are book. Only a few book are paper. No paper is eraser. Some book are not eraser. ठीक है. All paper being eraser. No paper is all paper being eraser. कैसे हो जाएगा? Only one. No bird is animal. Some bird are insects. Some flies can never be insects. Some flies being animal is a possibility. Only second. No laptop is mobile. Only a few mobile are tablet. Some tablet are not devices. All tablet can never be laptop. True. Some mobile are not devices. Only one. Student study. Students school library. कितने क्वेश्चन इसके ठीक ठाक है, इसको करना चाहिए. Students study in library. Teachers teach in school. People study in school. Students study under trees. Teachers teach people or well. Students in 3 साथ में PQ and इस 3 में LM EX teachers study library. नहीं हो पाएगा ना, क्योंकि इसमें ये 2 फंस जाएंगे. Teach cannot be determined. स्कूल चिल्ड्रंस एंड टीचर्स स्कूल कितना एंड स्कूल टीचर स्टूडेंट वेल टीचर्स टीच UVWX स्कूल का हो जाएगा Y और Z PDCD CD अंडर ट्री वेल है अलोन KL हो जाएगा KL टीचर्स का मैं बोल रहा हूँ है WX तो टीच का हो जाएगा UV स्कूल का है YZ टीचर स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स का हो जाएगा AX और वेल का हो जाएगा KL UV RT लाइब्रेरी सिबल को अंडर टीचर YZ तो नहीं हो पाएगा XGH 7 लोग हैं 2 3 4 5 6 7 E is heavier than B but lighter than F is lighter than A but not heavier than C. F is heavier than A but not heavier than C. G is heavier than B and D and B से भी नीचे कोई और है. E is heavier than G. तो CF T3 heavier than D. Heavier than D and B. Heavier than A but not heavier than C. Thrice more B's 93 A हो जाएगा 93 weight of E is 84 which is अगर F का वेट 14 अगर E का वेट है 84 जो कि 14 कम है F से तो F का हो जाएगा 98 F A का हो जाएगा 120 और A है 93 The difference between A and F is 7 and the weight of F is 31 more than B. What is the difference between the B and A? A का है 93. If the difference between A and F तो हो जाएगा 100 and एफ इज़ 31 मोर 70 69 हो जाएगा बी, तो 93 24 किलो। हाउ मेनी पर्सन आर हैवियर देन जी? ओ यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं, लाइन भूल गया। एज मैनी एज हैवियर देन जी एज हैवियर देन ए। जी ए ई ए 1 2 3 4। नाइन डिफरेंट फ्लोर पे हैं। वन अबव टॉप मोस्ट इज नंबर 9। ठीक है, इसको करना चाहिए। हाउ मेनी पेयर? 6 डिफरेंट लोकेशन। 6 नॉर्थ। 1 2 3 4 5 6। only 1% A who sits just one out A एक D एक D। B sits राइट आउट, B यहाँ होगा, B यहाँ होगा। F sits सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट। as many person है F E। थर्ड टू द राइट। सर्टेन इसको 9 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1। F4 C E1 I leaves 1 2 I नंबर पर्सन ई के ऊपर जो है 2 ज़्यादा है देन नंबर। G does not live below C 1 2 3 4। एक 2 3 4। मैं एक को यहाँ रखूँ, एक के नीचे एक, तो 1 2 3 ई के। ए डी हो जाएगा, तो ए और डी यहाँ रखूँगा, तो एक के नीचे 1 2 3 4 5 6। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। तो ई के ऊपर 8 लोग हो जाएंगे। बी यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, बी एक एच होगा, जी यहाँ होगा। होम अकॉर्डिंग लिव्स अबव डी, डी के ऊपर। द वन हू 2 फ्लोर अबव आई 1 2 हाँ। द वन हू 5th फ्लोर गलत। द वन हू 3 फ्लोर अबव 1 2 3 फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड। द नंबर ऑफ पर्सन लिविंग बिटवीन बी एंड ई 1 2 इज सेम है द नंबर ऑफ पर्सन लिविंग बिटवीन F 2 H 1 2 I G C नहीं, E D E और D नहीं, और B और F नहीं। हाउ मेनी पर्सन लिव्स बिटवीन द वन हु लिव्स 2 फ्लोर अबव H दिस द वन हु लिव्स 3 फ्लोर बिलो G 1 2 3 1। F A एन I और A यहाँ हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली F एंड C, तो F यहाँ हो जाएगा, C यहाँ हो जाएगा। देन हु मतलब वन लिव्स 2 फ्लोर बिलो A 1 2 C रहेगा। इफ ऑल द पर्सन फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप अनचेंज्ड, तो A B C D E F G H I, A B C D E F G H I. No one. How many pages? बाईस, तेईस, चौबीस, पच्चीस, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 15, 16, 17, 18, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6 लोग हैं। छोड़ो, यहाँ बनाते हैं। See who sits left of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number of persons sits between E and F. ये एक ज़्यादा है than the number of sits between F and B. Who does not sits to the right of B? चार, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6 F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As many persons sit to the left of and right. 1, 2, तो 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A sits one of the but not an immediate at one of the but not immediate B. A यहाँ हो जाएगा, A यहाँ हो जाएगा. In even number of persons sits to the left of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The A sits third to the left of D. गलत. F sits 8 from one of the end. गलत. F sits 9 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the position of A with respect to F? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 to the left. Which of the following sits ninth to the left of E? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number 4, 5, 9, 6, 2, 9, 3, 1, 8, 7. All the prime numbers are removed. And all in descending order from left to right. No. 4, 1. Then what is the product of third from the left? 1, 2, 3, and second from the 22. क्वांट में कम रह गए थे ना. क्वांट में है इतना कम. देखते हैं क्या होगा क्वांट में. हम्म, रीजनिंग में तो सारे सही गए। क्वांट में मेरे को ये वाली डी आई उठानी चाहिए थी।